Today's goodness. Safety prayer. I hear sirens. You know, well, that was crazy. Newport News fire and bomb squad. You don't see a truck like that very often. Alrighty, so hey, good morning, welcome. Yeah, you know, this Virginia Bomb Moto channel. I tried to say it all mixed up. What about Virginia? Hey, here we are. Trying to think of well, I ain't trying to think of, I know what my subject is, want to be, but I just my editing for these videos. You know, if you're a moto vlogger, there is like a ton of different editing solutions out there for you, and my editing is going to come to a, well, I wouldn't say a screeching halt, but a screeching halt in the program I used to use, which is Adobe Photoshop, let's see, Rush Premiere is what it's called, and they're discontinuing it. It's such a simple and easy.
I lost the second half to rest of this video here. So you'll hear me on the way home, and if you want to skip up to about 5 minutes into the video, you can hear more about what I was actually talking about. So here you go. Thank you. Yeah. Squeak. Just barely get through there sometimes. The R1 did a whole lot better job getting through these tight spots. I'm going to miss that motorcycle. But you know, people just trying to get home. This guy up here, he held his spot. He knew that motorcycles would come by here, and so he was going to make sure he blocked me, and I wasn't going to get up to the front of the line and, you know, bypass everybody. Could have swung over there to the left and went around, but, you know, come out here, try not to agitate nobody. Really try to just do the least minimal amount of damage or pissing somebody off, you know. That's easy to do. People get angry out here. They're just, you know, waiting to get home and getting through the same traffic that I do. It gets so hot though in the Harley that you got to keep those air-cooled engines moving. And sometimes it's a long wait between here and the freeway. Make a left up here and got like a block to the freeway. This guy, he couldn't wait that block though. He had to get one person ahead, just one, and wasn't like the guy in front of him was really going that slow. Like, he didn't have a lot of space. I went ahead and said, okay, we'll just pass you too. It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. It's because I was thinking it's a long wait. Those are the things that will trigger a classic song in your life. A grower-upper. Yeah. I'm actually excited to get home and try out some more Adobe Photoshop techniques. I need to learn stuff. What did we talk about on the way in? We had a subject. I just forgot what it was about. Go ahead and remind me if you like. I don't remember. I'm trying hard to get it. I just can't think of it. Flying high again, again, again. Flying high again. Woo! What was the subject? Terrible, I can't remember. I got a lot of subjects when you ride motorcycle. Then we was talking about Adobe Photoshop and editing. Hello. There we are.
They keep you on the up and up. It's Friday. That's a great one. Certain times at nights it's open, but keep your head on a swivel down here, as they say. That's the old saying. Keep your head on a swivel. Tossing it left and right, to and fro, checking left and right, and up and down, behind, up and forward. What's going on? Whew, that was a hell of a checklist, man. A hell of a checklist. We are good. We are fine. We are beautiful. We're gonna arrive home. We're gonna arrive alive. I can't wait to see what the 4K will do on my computer. I think I have an issue possibly fixed because of downloading and installing Adobe Photoshop Premiere. Is that possible? I mean, because you have to have certain requirements in your computer to even download the software or whatever you call it. And of course mine met the specs, but it had an outdated, needed a driver updated for performance, and if it's not correct, you got a lame section in your that you don't know about, because you can go in and where it tells you to go check and right click and see if you need it. It'll say, oh, we're up to date, but you're not. It's hard to understand all the lingo, so to actually get updates, unless you're super savvy with the lingo, you're gonna always wonder, what the hell, do I have the right one? And if you miss one little key item or something, is it for Windows? Is it for Mac? Is it for a laptop? Is it for an iPad? And you got 3 updates, it looks like, but they're all different ones, you know. Like, put a sign there that says we have 3 separate updates. Use the one that best matches what you're going to use it for. Mine was a desktop PC with Windows. That's all it really needed to know. And is it okay if it says multiple things, like for desktop, also for iPad, or also for a tablet, notebook? But as long as it says PC in there, it's going to be okay. It don't matter if it has the other 3 issues, or not issues, but the other 3 items. It's okay and it won't hurt. Well, I guess it wouldn't, but like I said, if you're not savvy, you might be doubting yourself and wondering and get frustrated like I would, and because you're not comprehending everything all the time. It really needs to be for dummies. Ego thinking I was, well, book smart anyway. Yeah, it's warm out. It's September. It's still cooking. We had a cold 10 days. Well, not cold, but really fashionably cool, almost fall weather for a week to 10 days. So you thought Halloween was here, but no, summer's back, man. Summer is back. Full-fledged. Cooling off the hog, man. I can feel all the heat when you set a while come rushing by your legs and up into the rack. Yeah. The pool hall. Hey, you play 9-ball, 8-ball. What you doing? Having a ball? Well, if you say so. I can't wait. Whew. Get home and get everything cooled off. Get off the old bikester. Gotta hold that clutch in hard. I gotta check that cable pretty soon. I don't want to have a busted cable if it starts fraying and put too much pressure on it. A lot of bends it does. Seriously need a better design for that area. POPO Man got his battering ram on the front, ready to take out a speedster, do a pit maneuver. Is that what they call them? Something maneuvers. Slowpoke. Charger. Challenger, something. what it kind of looked like from the back. Thank you, Virginia, for the Evel Knievel speed bump on a 45-mile-an-hour road. What was I doing? 50, 55? Maybe that's why. Nah, you catch her even at 45. Jeez. Whew. You find out how rough a road is when you ride a Dyna wide glide. They are not a smooth riding vehicle. I guess it was better than my Sportster, I think. I thought I was in luxury when I got off my 2001 or 2000 custom, whatever it was. Alrighty, 4K 24 frames per second. Let's see how it does. See you later. Bye bye. Yeah, let's just get it. Works every time. Alright, we're gonna get this cut off soon. Wish me luck with the 4K. Yeah, I'm gonna need it. I sure hope it works. It'd be cool.